Hi everyone, welcome back to Waterfront Academy YouTube channel, where learning is hands-on, purposeful, and fun. Today, we're going to create a Montessori-inspired world map puzzle, a beautiful tactile way to explore geography and spark curiosity about our planet. Perfect for homeschoolers, classroom guides, or weekend explorers. This project brings the continents to life in a way children can truly feel. Ready to get started? Let's go. Here's what you'll need for this hands-on Montessori map. A large sheet of blue felt. This will be your ocean background. A printable world map template. You can find many online or in Montessori printables. Felt in these continent colors. Africa, green. Antarctica, white. Asia, yellow. Australia, brown. Europe, red. North America, orange. South America, pink. Scissors. A black permanent marker. Optional. Label cards for control of error. Begin by printing or drawing the shapes of the 7 continents. These will act as your control for tracing. Montessori tip. If your child is involved, let them trace to strengthen fine motor skills and build independence. Place each continent on its matching felt color and trace around it carefully. Next, cut out each felt continent. Carefully place them on your blue felt world. Use a black marker to lightly outline where each continent will go. This gives children a visual guide and helps with spatial awareness. Let's review the continent colors. Africa, green. Antarctica, white. Asia, yellow. Australia, brown. Europe, red. North America, orange. South America, pink. Optional. Add small felt or cardstock labels for each continent. These can be used later for matching work. Now your child has a beautiful tactile puzzle they can work with again and again. Encourage matching, naming, and even storytelling about each continent. Montessori tip. Store the felt pieces in a basket nearby so your child can choose to work with the map independently. This encourages choice and repetition, key parts of Montessori learning. Remember to leave space for the oceans and discuss their names too. You can even add blue labels for each ocean. And there you have it, your very own Montessori world map puzzle. This activity builds geography knowledge, fine motor skills, and independence, all through joyful hands-on learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more Montessori-inspired ideas. Share your finished map with us by tagging at Waterfront Academy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time, little explorers.